What's up, you guys? Today we're going on a field trip. We're going over to Eric's house and we're going to show you this new flooring cutter we got called the Sharpshooter from Bullet Tools. At first I was like, what is this thing? When it came, it's just very quality. I loved everything about it and actually was surprised to hear what the boys said on the job site. So let's go out and hear from them. All right, you guys, what's up? World's longest house project. Why? Thanks to that guy right there. Luckily he showed up today. So
Actually, Larry's been showing up every day.
Larry's been showing up every day. Come on, Larry. That's not true. That's not true. There's rain somewhere. You got to be at home. I'm starting a new channel today. It's called Job Site Troll. All I do is hang out on the job site and point out all your mistakes, everything you're doing wrong. Like Larry, it's taking you about 30 minutes to tie up a damn string, dude. I'm just going to give you a hint right now. Zip ties. Right? Boom, done. Thank you. Pay me. What's going on?
Hey.
All right, Chevy Chase and Chef Ramsay building hoses. Come on. You guys are listening to You Give Love a Bad Name. More like You Give Construction a Bad Name. So they're listening to Tell Me What It Takes from Aerosmith, when clearly they have no clue to what it takes for house construction. All right, tools in action, troll. Tip number 1, use more tape than Tyvek. It saves money. All right, you guys, this is Jose. He wears that shirt so he doesn't look suspicious. What's up, Eric? Why are we here? Why am I standing on your pile of
Garbage.
garbage?
Because the roofers never cleaned up once they were done. That's
Nice.
why.
Good roofers. High five. What do you got?
Okay, so we're installing LifeProof in the basement and all that. And I wanted to talk about this thing. This thing has been awesome. Larry's been helping out. If you guys have met, done a lot of vinyl floors. This one's from Bullet Tools. This is a Sharpshooter. And a lot of times when you do vinyl floor, you either cut it with a miter saw or jigsaw. But as you can see, when you cut it, I mean, there is a ton of debris left over. With this is nice because you can actually do it where you're working and you're not getting everything messy. All you gotta do, cut down, and it's a nice clean cut.
Hold on. That's nice. Wow.
There's no mess. So really all you need now is like a jigsaw and this thing, and you can do flooring.
That's crazy.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
But I mean, this is what I love. I mean, look down here. This, we've probably cut maybe 6 pieces of flooring to go along the side where we had to cut it down. And look at the mess from there. Could you imagine having to do a ton of cuts?
That's crazy. It's definitely very cool, man. Definitely very cool. This is the Sharpshooter, you guys. What we like about it, not only is it built in the USA, look at it. See, we got a little bullet on it. Do you see the bullet? Or is that just me? Am I crazy?
No, it's a bullet. But you know what I like about it? Is the thing, it's built nice. It's not
quality.
cheap.
Can you cut one more so I can see it from the back side?
Yeah, definitely.
Wow, look at that blade.
Yeah, isn't it? It's like a guillotine.
Guillotine.
Ready?
Yeah. Wow, just a nice clean cut.
Yep, here, I'll do another one.
Wow, that's crazy. And you
Isn't
can't
it?
do
Look at that
angles.
cut.
Yeah, because if you wanted to cut an angle.
Yeah, I mean, angles are kind of hard. But
Yeah.
this, because of floor, what you know, you're going to hit the 2 sides, so you're doing a ton of cutting along there. But think about it. On the floor that we did in the basement, we probably had, say if we got 16, that's 32 cuts that we could do with this thing that we don't have to do with
Out
the miter
here.
saw.
Right, so it's not going to handle every cut, but it handles a lot of cuts. And you guys...
No, and a majority of the cuts are the straight cuts when you're doing floor.
Right.
A majority of them.
True.
So,
And it, you know, it definitely, it's multi-purpose. So you can cut all kinds of flooring, all kinds of stuff, but for LifeProof, it's the bomb.
for LifeProof, it's awesome.
Yeah. All right, you guys, check it out. Don't forget to check out Bullet Tools. I'll put the link below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click like. And don't forget that, brush your teeth today, dude, because Eric didn't, and it's horrible.
What's brush your teeth?
What?
What's brush your teeth?
Well, Larry will show you how you do it next time you're in the bathroom with him.
With them, okay.